Compressors are workhorse tools on the job site and in the workshop. Makita air compressors are favorites for their faster recovery time, lower noise, longer tool life, and consistent performance. The Makita 1 HP 2 gal oil-free, electric air compressor features a quiet series design, combining strong performance with lower noise. At only 60 dBA, it's ideal for indoor use during the case and base installation, trim and finish carpentry, cabinet or furniture making, and more. The MAC210Q runs at a lower RPM, resulting in longer motor and pump life. It is powered by an efficient 1 horsepower induction motor that provides up to 135 psi. It also features a lightweight design, only 44 pounds, for increased portability. The roll cage construction provides added protection for the pump and motor assembly during transportation, in storage, and on the job site. Additional features include a low AMP draw that reduces the incidence of tripped breakers at startup, as well as an oil-free dual-piston pump designed for maintenance-free operation. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quiet series design at only 60 decibels for operator and crew comfort, ideal for indoor use. Number 2. Runs at a lower RPM, 1750, resulting in longer motor and pump life. Number 3. Complete roll cage construction provides protection to withstand a variety of job site, transporting, and storage environments. Number 4. Oil-free dual-piston pump designed for maintenance-free operation. Number 5. Lightweight design for increased job site portability. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.